Hi there, I'm Andreas from Wallmek, and today we're going to show you our new bushing kit for the front control arm on the EMP2 platform. It fits vehicles like Peugeot Expert, Citroën Jumpy, Toyota ProAce, Opel Vivaro and Fiat Scudo. See the description for more details. This kit is designed to make a traditionally dull job a whole lot easier and much faster. The kit contains everything you need to press out and press in the front control arm bushing. In the kit you have a 57mm press socket, a 68.7 press pipe and a 250mm drawbar. With this tool you can work either with the hydraulic cylinders in the Wallmek range or in the standard workshop press. Even worn and misaligned bushings can be removed smoothly without struggle. And when fitting the new bushing, the specially designed press socket ensures perfect alignment and depth every single time. To access the bushing, remove the control arm from the vehicle. Here's one that we removed earlier, and once it's off, here's how it goes. Install the press pipe on the cylinder. Feed the drawbar through the control arm bushing. Fix the adapter with a nut and press out the old bushing. When installing the new bushing, simply flip the press socket. Make sure you install the new bushing on the correct side of the control arm. See the manual for more information. Then assemble the press pipe, bushing, press socket. The design of the socket makes sure it's perfectly centered and pressed to the correct depth every time. And that's the new bushing installed. So, if you want to work faster, safer, and without unnecessary hassle, this is your go-to tool for the EMP2 vehicles. As always, invest in time. See you in the next one.